What does a jury actually hear? A car and scene. Frunk and cabin. Trace fibers, microfragments. Seal integrity on every pouch. Handler logs. Street and tow yard. Who saw what, when, which cameras, which timestamp survived. Timeline spine. Late July street parking citation impound, September 8 discovery, September 16 ID. B. Biology and interval. Advanced decomposition complicates post-mortem interval, PMI, and manner. That's why deferred persists. Rumor corrections matter because they reset feverish certainty to measured doubt. T. Digital. Phones and accounts. Chats, locations, cloud artifacts. Who owned which login? Devices seized. Provenance matters. Who had access, who typed. Help theory. Corroboration beyond a police source is what counts in court. D. The rental's burn cage. Fact, as reported and in your file, industrial burn cage, boxed and unused, found after initial LAPD search, alleged false name delivery. Significance. Premeditation inference versus prop defense. LAPD initially saw no forensics to seize. When exactly did Celeste die? The state has signaled weeks prior to discovery. Some reporting frame spring, summer 2025 as a working window, but certification remains sealed. Where did she die? If off-site, transport evidence, fibers, transfer, fluids, and device travel will decide. Who had access? Any cooperators or accomplices would change charge theory and narrative. The burn cage will be argued three ways. Premeditation. Ordered with intent to destroy remains or evidence. Abandoned due to smoke or odor risk. Prop. A visual item for a shoot, never used. Delivered under a pseudonym for privacy. Irrelevant. Inadmissible without proven authorship, purchase trail, or nexus. Only documents and testimony will move it from theory to fact. As of early 2026, LAPD's posture is homicide investigation. Cause and manner remain deferred under court-ordered hold, and no public charges have been announced. The public wants certainty. The record gives dates, places, and devices. Add the burn cage box to the shelf. The legal path forward, if any, will lean on purchases and deliveries, movement and ownership, who ordered what and why. M.O.R.T.E.M breakdown. Motive. Unknown. Manner and cause deferred under security hold. Any motive frame is speculative. 5 out of 10. Operations. Vehicle abandonment, weeks-long delay. Alleged multi-actor logistics per police source. Boxed burn cage as possible intent signal, disputed. 7 out of 10. Beat. Multi-scene, bird streets, tow yard rental. Multi-source, devices, cameras. PI findings augment but require corroboration. 6 out of 10. Terror impact. A child victim, celebrity orbit, rumor surges. Community grief and public distrust. 9 out of 10. Execution style. If proven, emphasis on concealment logistics rather than signature violence. Rumors corrected by LAPD. 6 out of 10. Mindset. Purchases or deliveries plus movement point to planning questions. Defense will contest intent and admissibility. 6 out of 10. Final case rating, composite 6.5 out of 10. Simple average across pillars. Highly provisional until medical findings and any charging decisions.